place the cube box close to where you plan to use it. Cut the straps and remove the top of the box. Remove the styrofoam top, then lift the sides of the box straight up and away. Remove the outer wrap and set the two smaller boxes aside. Lift the protective bag from the top of the unit. Using two capable people, lift the cube to its desired location. The manual is located on the door and includes a QR code for easy mobile access to these online assembly instructions. Install the 4 bulbs by aligning the pins and firmly pressing the bulb base into the connector. Then press the glass into the wire bulb holder. Install the shelving, placing the shelf tines in the matching slots near the top. Keeping the shelf tilted slightly, move it to its desired location. Align the center shelf catch with one of the center locating slots and tilt it down into position. Plug the power cord into the back of the unit, as well as a power outlet, and flip the switch to the on position. Place some items on the shelves, close the door completely, and push the start button to begin a 2-minute cycle. When the light turns green, open the door and remove your items. You've completed your first cycle with your newly set up cube.